Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make an egg salad. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 8 eggs, a green onion, a rib of celery, a half cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of sweet pickle relish, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, a half teaspoon of pepper, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. We'll start by rinsing off our celery and green onion. Then, we'll place our eggs in a large pot and cover them with about 2 inches of cold water so the eggs don't crack from heat shock. Once we've filled our pot with water, we'll set our stovetop to high and allow our eggs to come to a boil. Before removing them from the heat, covering the pot with a lid and allowing our eggs to sit for 15 minutes to cook. While the eggs are cooking, we'll prepare our celery and green onion by thinly slicing them. After we've allowed our eggs to cook for 15 minutes, we'll remove them from the pot with a slotted spoon and put them in an ice water bath to stop the cooking process and allow our eggs to cool. We'll let them set in this bath for approximately 15 more minutes. After we've allowed our eggs to chill in the water bath, we'll crack them all over and peel them under cold running water. After peeling our eggs, we'll slice them in half lengthwise and add our yolks to a bowl. Then we'll roughly chop our whites. Then we'll add our half cup of mayonnaise, tablespoon of sweet pickle relish, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, half teaspoon of pepper, and quarter teaspoon of salt to our yolks, and mash them together with a potato masher before folding in our chopped whites, thinly sliced celery, and green onion. We'll fold these together and allow them to chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before serving. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.